Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a cute makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to be inspired by the Korean makeup that's been going viral lately. I've been seeing it all over my Instagram. I hope you enjoy it and I'll just get right into it because I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So without further ado, let's get right into this makeup tutorial. Excuse how tired. I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Cosmetics nice foundation. I'm just going to pumps at the back of my hand just to make it light and like glass skin. I literally woke up, I'd say less than an hour, just over the hours, because they say that it creases, but that's never been the case for me. So I'm going to be using the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. and just underneath my eyes I'm going to do the tip of my nose bridge, my chin and my forehead, just to highlight the points of my face. I'm going to just blend it all out and then I'm going to use the banana powder by Revolution maybe.
There's birds and dogs all in the background. I'm so sorry if you can hear all that. Nature's just saying its chorus today.
I always take this little brush and I dab it off, even though it gets everywhere. Like, this is the flakiest. And I just set it on my...
Guys, like, I literally have to dodge it because it's so flaky, but it works so well. Like, I'll just put it on my nose and, like, wherever I kind of get greasy as well, just to mattify my face. It's such a good powder. It's a really good powder.
Now I'm gonna go for the SheGlam Tawny Amber contour. And I'm just gonna set it
on my nose as well, and I'm just going to do a circle like so on the forehead as well. And I don't think I like to be like people be doing all of this, but I don't really need that much contour. I generally do prefer using bronzer because it does help me with my bronze look, and this blends so easily. Like, you don't even have to keep, like, some are so stiff. Like, I remember getting ones from Primark years ago and they were like crayons, like they were so hard to blend out and so tough, but this is so easy. So if you're looking for a cheap and affordable contour stick that works, get yourself on the SheGlam website and order. There's different ones as well, so it can be light contour or dark contour, it depends on what you're looking for. To get this palette, it's like a one-time amazing palette find. It's the Nicole Miller Glow Getter palette. You guys know I love it, always use it. Such a good palette, and it's got such a great highlight. Like, look at the highlight. You cannot go wrong with this palette. And then I just use a bit of the blush to kind of make my forehead look.
And I literally just like, you guys, like, it is so beautiful though. Like, it's like the perfect shade of blush that I need, because to be honest, the one from SheGlam is too pink and the one from Rare Beauty is too red, so I mix the two.
But this is like the perfect, and I just blend it like, I just kind of, I don't know if I should use a brush or not for this one. And I'm going to use this thick brush, and I'm just going to take the lighter shade of brown, so like these two, maybe a bit of the sparkly one, and I am literally going to do my eyes. I'm just going to do like a light base because I don't want something too strong, just because I'm not looking for something so strong. So I'm just going to take the lightest dust shade. I think it's called dust. Like a dusty brown. And you know what? I'm going to do my under eye as well. All the Korean girls love wanted to attempt trying it because I didn't think it would look good on Western features. But apparently a lot of girls be trying it. And I'm just gonna take the Naturally Radiant Glow. Look at that. And I'm just gonna place it on the inner corner, bringing it up onto the lid. Like so. Seriously. And Naked Ambition, Unperfect Mirage, any of those. I'm literally just gonna place. I feel like this is giving Starlight makeup or Cold Girl makeup. Wow. Okay. And I'm just gonna keep blending the brown over that to make it blend neutrally. It's with a flat brush just so it's nice and even and I don't have any blotchy shadow. I'm bringing it up the way. And I'm just literally going to go back just to get myself some more glitter. So I'm gonna go a little closer. I'm just gonna drop it there so you guys can see how bright I want to get that glow. Like telescopic mascara. I'm gonna be using it. I just need to get my palette. It's a pretty good mascara.
So the Korean aesthetic is all about the most perfect jelly, beautiful plump lips, and I have got nothing for that. Well, I might have something. So I also placed an order off Temu, and I got this, one of these famous lipsticks that are going viral. And I'm just going to try it out. Ooh. Oh no, this is a bit too red for this look. I feel like it would be better if it was a different color, so I'm not going to stay with this one. I will be using a different lipstick. So I'm going to take the Fenty Gloss and put it all over, and I feel like that will give the Korean jelly lips. That's all you gotta do. Get a lip color, put a gloss over it. Oh, should I curl my eyelashes? One thing that I forgot was the little aegyeosal. So I'm not gonna do aegyeosal. I'm just going to do some black eyeshadow to give me a wing. Because I know how the Korean girls are obsessed with big eyes, so gotta make our eyes big. I already have huge eyes, like my eyes are big, but they're big brown eyes. But I know Korean girls love big eyes, so that is where we're going with that.
Now I'm gonna make this look even cuter, okay? So I'm gonna add freckles, faux freckles. Now bear with me on this one. Faux freckles can be a bit, well, I don't even think I have a pointy brush. I don't know where I lost it. But it's okay, I'll use the tip of this angular brush for eyebrows. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows, they're fine. I'm just gonna take the, and I'm just gonna blend it out as well. I always do them at the forefront of my nose just so it looks a bit more natural. Instead of them looking fake, and I'm just gonna blend them like that because they need to look real. And I'm gonna do the one yellow. Maybe that doesn't look real.
Okay. This is the finished makeup look. I personally think it's so cute. It's like cool girl makeup. I don't know why, but I'm very tempted to do a Korean girl hairstyle. I don't know what Korean girls even do with their hair. I think I just bring strands forward and tie it up.